I'm intrigued to see what a hose has to do with ripping a house out.
That's it, stay tuned, find out. So, what this is for draining the heating system. Yeah, neither of you could think, could you?
No.
So then, if you have a look down here, Ben, this here, fitting on the end, this is a drain off valve. So you connect your hose onto there, open it up, and it'll drain all the water from all your radiators and your heating system.
From every single one?
Yeah, there should be the main drain off point. I did just have a little look around just to see if there's another one, but there's not.
Oh.
Which just makes sense because you always try and put it closest to a door.
Yeah.
So like, obviously like that now the hose goes out.
We've had success.
Just touch and go. Hear the water coming out.
Yeah, you can hear it. Hey.